नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn about fixation techniques in histopathology. Tissue samples are preserved for immunohistochemistry by process such as fixation, embedding, and freezing. Now fixation. Fixation of the tissue sample is essential to maintain cells and tissue morphology during the immunohistochemistry experiments and during storage. It also prevents the autolysis and necrosis of excised tissue and preserves antigenicity and enhances the refractive index of tissue constituents. The fixative used is influenced by the target antigen as well as the desired detection technique, that is fluorescent or chromogenic. The tissue sample is then either embedded in paraffin or frozen. Embedding is important in preserving tissue morphology and giving the tissue support during sectioning. Some epitopes may not survive harsh fixation or embedding. The tissue is typically cut into thin section 5 to 10 micrometer or smaller pieces for whole mount studies to facilitate further study. Guideline for choosing a fixative, antigen and fixative. Most protein peptides and enzyme of low molecular weight will be fixated by cells cytologic preparation, that is 4% of formaldehyde. Tissue sections are fixated with 10% neutral buffered formalin. Delicate tissues are fixated with Bowens fixative, and small molecules such as amino acids are fixated with 4% formaldehyde. Blood-forming organs, that is liver, spleen and bone marrow, are fixated with Janker's solution, and connective tissues are fixated with Halley's solution, while nucleic acids are fixated with Carnot's solution. Large protein antigens, that is immunoglobulins, are fixated with ice-cold acetone or methanol. Nuclear morphology: zinc formalin, and for electron microscopy 4% formaldehyde, 1%. After fixation, the tissue is dehydrated to enable embedding with paraffin, which is water insoluble. The tissue is dehydrated gently by immersion in increasing concentration of a dehydrating agent, such as alcohol. This gradual change in hydrophobicity minimizes cell damage. The dehydrating agent is then cleared by incubation in xylene prior to paraffin embedding. Paraffin is typically heated to 60 degrees and then allowed to harden overnight. Finally, the tissue is sectioned using a microtome. Tissue sections may be dried by onto microscope slides and stored for extended periods at room temperature. Tissue sections are then rehydrated prior to commencing the immunostaining protocol. Types of fixation. Fixation of tissue can be achieved by chemical or physical means. Physical methods include heating, microwaving, cryopreserving. Heat fixation is rarely used on tissue specimens, its application being confined to smear of microorganisms. However, microwave fixation, which can be regarded as a form of heat fixation, is now widely practiced in routine laboratories. Cryopreservation, usually in the form of freeze drying, has some application in histochemistry but is not usually applied to diagnostic tissue specimen. Chemical fixation is usually achieved by immersing the specimen in a fixative immersion fixation, or in the case of small animals or some whole organs such as lungs, by perfusing the vascular system with fixative perfusion fixation. For some specialized histochemical procedures, fixatives have occasionally been applied in the vapor form. For example, paraformaldehyde and osmium tetroxide can be used to vapor freeze dried tissues. Fixative solutions may contain a single fixative agent dissolved in a solvent such as water or alcohol, or more commonly a buffered solution to stabilize pH. Some popular fixative solution contain several different fixing agents in combinations. The rotationable being that the defect in one agent can be compensated for the addition of the other. For example, acetic acid is present in some formulation to counter the shrinkage caused by other agents such as ethanol. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.